In this video, I will show you how to simply add contact info to your Google account. Let me show you how. Open up your Gmail app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Proceed to manage your Google account. Then scroll down right here. Click on people and sharing. Scroll down right here. Click on about me. Then scroll down right here. Click on add contact info. Just like so. At this time here, add your recovery email address right here. Add your phone number, add address, and add chat username right here. For you to add a recovery email to your Google account, go ahead and click on add email right here. Enter your recovery email right here, and you can decide to make it only you or make it to everyone. That is, if you make it everyone right here, it simply means that anyone that search for information about you, they are going to see this email and they can use it to contact you through that particular email that's displayed in your Google search. Then next, you have to come back right here again, click on add contact info. You want to click on add phone number right here. So go ahead and click on add phone number, then provide your mobile phone number right here, and you can choose who can see your phone number. You can decide to make it only you or anyone that have access to your contact details in Google search. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.